Welcome guys. If you want to record sounds in your ZTE Axon 11 5G, for the first you have to find your recorder. So here it is, voice recorder. And right now if you want to start record, just tap here, accept all of the permissions. And as you can see, a smartphone starts recording sound. If we want to finish, just click here. We can save our record and try to check how it sounds. As you can see, the smartphone starts recording sound. If we want to finish, just... And honestly, I'm really surprised because this is one of the best audio recorder. I mean, the quality is one of the best that I heard. Even it is better on the of the Note 20 Ultra, Note 20, S20 Ultra, or the iPhone from the Apple. So really good. Yeah, really cool stuff and really good voice recorder on this ZTE Axon 11 5G smartphone. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.